I'm not concerned with your liking or disliking me. All I ask is that you respect me as a human being. Jackie Robinson was the first African American to play on a Major League Baseball team. He was not always treated fairly by his teammates. Jackie was born on January 31st, 1919, in Georgia. He was the youngest of 5 brothers and sisters. Jackie's father left when he was only a baby. He doesn't have any memories of his dad. Jackie's older brother, Matt, was a great athlete. In fact, Matt went on to the Olympics for the 200-meter dash. Jackie loved sports too. He ran track, played football, basketball, baseball, and tennis. Jackie played sports in high school and in college. He was even chosen to become a professional football player. Most of his teammates were white. They were nice to Jackie during games. In 1942, Jackie was drafted into the Army during World War II. This ended his football career. At the time, black men and white men had to serve in separate groups. Jackie didn't like this rule. He pushed to change the rule so all men could serve their country together. After leaving the Army, Jackie joined a professional baseball team. The team was called the Kansas City Monarchs. His team was part of the Negro Baseball League. White and black men were forced to play on separate teams. Jackie was an amazing baseball player. The manager for the Brooklyn Dodgers wanted Jackie to play on his team. The Brooklyn Dodgers was a team of white men. Sometimes fans wouldn't show up to the games because they didn't like Jackie Robinson. Sometimes his teammates were not very nice to him because he was an African American. But Jackie was tough. He was always nice to everyone. He was even nice to people who were not nice to him. Jackie turned out to be one of the best baseball players that ever lived. He was voted the most valuable player and was named Rookie of the Year. In 1962, Jackie Robinson was inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame.